Lettuce is one of the easiest crops to grow. In this video, I will show you how to grow organic loose-leaf lettuce in plastic shopping or grocery bags to get multiple harvests in 60 days or less. I'll also show you what to do after your first harvest to get even more lettuce from this system. Let's get rolling. You need a medium or large plastic shopping bag. Fill it up with soil or potting mix. Water thoroughly. Get your seeds ready. Sprinkle the seeds lightly on the soil surface. And cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and give it a light watering. Now, poke holes at the bottom to drain off excess water. Pull the handles of the bag over the surface to maintain the humidity and ensure faster seed germination. Depending on variety and climate, seeds will emerge within 4 to 7 days. At day 15, you can give the soil a little stirring for easy penetration of water. This also ensures good root development. By day 30, seedlings will start crowding each other. This is a good time to do pricking out. Pricking out is a critical step for the system to guarantee multiple harvests of good quality. I'll show you later in this video what you can do with the pricked out seedlings. After pricking out, be sure to water the remaining seedlings. A few days after pricking out, apply composted kitchen scraps to cover the soil surface. The compost will supply additional nutrients and also serve as mulch. Water the plants thereafter. By day 43, the lettuce plants will be big enough to be harvested, but I will leave them for a few days to grow bigger. If you live in a tropical climate, keep the lettuce plants in a partial shade to keep it cool. At day 50, the first harvest can take place. You can harvest by cutting or breaking off the plants at the soil surface. You can also pull up the entire plants. It's completely up to you. If you want to harvest by pulling the whole plant, be sure to water the plants first before you harvest. This is what my first harvest from one bag looks like. The plants are of varying sizes, although the big ones are more. Be sure to water your plants regularly to get results like this. After the first harvest, don't throw away the soil yet. You can mix in a few handfuls of decomposed chicken manure. Make sure to mix it in thoroughly. Level the surface after working the manure into the soil. Sprinkle some lettuce seeds on it after leveling, and this will start another cycle of lettuce. The steps to get a second harvest begins during pricking out. Depending on the number of seedlings available, additional plastic bags are filled with soil mix. The pricked out seedlings are essentially transplanted into this new soil mix. The seedlings are deliberately stripped of any soil before transplanting. This ensures that the maturity of this set of seedlings is delayed to spread out the harvesting period according to your needs. You can spread out the harvesting period further by sorting and transplanting seedlings of similar size in each bag. Water seedlings thoroughly after transplanting. If you are enjoying this video, put it on record by hitting the like button. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any new videos from us. Let me say it again that lettuce is a cool season crop, so keep the plants in a partially shaded area if it's hot outside. At day 51, or more specifically, day 21 after transplanting, the seedlings would have recovered from any transplanting shock experienced and would have grown quite big, as can be seen here. Water the plants regularly to ensure that the soil is always moist. Depending on your needs, you can actually harvest this second set of lettuce by day 56 or 26 days after transplanting, since they have grown a lot bigger. But if you are like me, I prefer to wait for a couple more days to make this next harvest. By day 59 or 29 days after transplanting, the lettuce will be looking gorgeous and be ready for the second harvest. From the look of the two bags, one is much bigger than the other since I deliberately planted smaller lettuce seedlings in one of the bags. I'll just harvest from the bag with the bigger lettuce plants and leave the other till later. The beauty of the system shown in this video is that with proper planning, you can have lettuce all year round if you live in a tropical climate. There are no pesticides or chemical fertilizers, making it 100% organic. Besides, it's easy for everyone. If you have any questions or suggestions, share them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. I'll see you in our next. Adios. Wow.